In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check comment settings in Docusign, which is essential for managing your electronic signatures and agreements more efficiently. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step, making sure you feel comfortable navigating the platform. Without further ado, let's dive right in. To begin, you want to open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Docusign website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct link to access Docusign, especially with so many services available online. Once your page loads, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage, which is your gateway to managing all things related to your electronic documents. Now, if you already have an account, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account first, but for those who are returning users, simply key in your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home interface, which serves as the central hub for handling your documents and agreements. From the home interface, locate the admin section. This is where all the magic happens in terms of configuring and fine-tuning settings for a smoother workflow. Click on the admin option and you'll be taken to a dashboard that offers an array of administrative controls and settings. Within the admin portal, the next step is to find and click on comments. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how comments are handled in your documents. Whether you're enabling comment features for the first time or adjusting existing settings, this is where you can personalize the commenting process to suit your organizational needs. And there you have it, a walkthrough of how to check your comment settings within Docusign. Knowing how to effectively manage comments not only enhances collaboration, but also ensures that all pertinent feedback and discussions are captured and recorded in your digital agreements. If you run into any challenges or need further clarification, Docusign's help resources are always available to provide additional support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Docusign tips and tutorials, and feel free to leave your questions or share your experiences in the comments section below. Keep your workflow smooth, and as always, happy DocuSigning.